Hello everyone, welcome to Vedika 365. We are excited to share our recent visit to the international exhibition China International Consumer Products Expo 2026 held in Shanghai. This global expo is one of the largest platforms where manufacturers, suppliers, entrepreneurs and business leaders from across the world come together. Over 3 days, we explored innovative products, advanced technologies, global market trends, direct connections with international suppliers. This event is a gateway for businesses looking to expand into global markets. During our visit, we interacted with multiple exhibitors across different sectors such as consumer goods, household products, industrial supplies, lifestyle and utility products. We observed high-quality manufacturing, competitive pricing, and scalable supply opportunities that can benefit Indian businesses. One key takeaway from this exhibition is the importance of global networking and direct sourcing. Businesses that connect internationally can reduce costs, access better quality products, expand their market reach. This is where the right platform and guidance become very important. At Vedika 365, our mission is to bridge the gap between opportunities and people. Through our visit to China International Consumer Products Expo 2026, we are identifying reliable suppliers and business connections. We aim to support importers, wholesalers, entrepreneurs, startups in connecting with global markets efficiently. We invite all entrepreneurs, business owners, importers, and wholesalers who are interested in exploring international business opportunities to connect with us. Whether you are looking for new products, reliable suppliers, business and expansion, Vedika 365 is here to assist you. Our vision is to create a strong business network where opportunities are accessible to everyone. By bringing global exposure and connections, we aim to contribute to a business growth and economic development. If you are interested in business collaborations or import opportunities, feel free to reach out to us. WhatsApp 8985 811 875. Like this video, share with your network, subscribe to Vedika 365 for more business opportunities and updates. Thank you for watching.